Namaste guys, in this video we are going to learn how to create this simple bouncing ball animation in Krita. So let's start. So as you can see that I press Ctrl plus N and this is my default settings. Click on create. Now this might not be the default view of yours. So click on window, click on workspace and click on animation. So this will be your default view. After that what you have to do is drag and drop the image. So I am dragging and dropping this image. Anybody, if I want this image, check out my Gumroad. It's totally free of course, so no worries. But still you can donate as it helps to create more and better contents. So click on insert as new layer. This image is basically I got from Pinterest. So you can also go from there, download it. So double click on this layer and rename it as reference. Click on the transform tool. Drag it here and scale it up. So I think this is fine. Now click on this lock icon so I don't mess up with it. After that, click on here, click on paint layer again, double click on it and type the name ball because this is where I create my ball. Now there are two ways to make balls. First, that you will use a brush tool and draw the circle, quite cumbersome technique and will not get accuracy. Another is that you will use circle. So I will use circle method. So here, notice my circle size can increase or decrease. I don't want it. So press shift button and increase or decrease the circle as per your requirement. Notice it is circle, not ellipse. That is the reason I press shift. After creating it, now you will say, hey, it is not correctly aligned. So click on the transform tool, select this and drag it here. Click on the zoom, click here. Click on the middle mouse button, you can translate it. Now click on this translate tool. I think this one is fine. Okay. Now what I will do, select this. Now by pressing control, sorry, select this by pressing shift, sorry, select this. Now press left click and press control and drag it here. Click on create a new layer. Click on this, move it downwards. Notice two layers are created. That's good thing. Again, left click, then press control and drag it here. Select this. Make sure that your transform tool is activated. Move it downwards. You notice that its width is smaller. So let's make it small and align correctly. Now I don't know where are my other two frames. So I will click on this onion icon and you can visualize it. How does my previous frame look like? That's a great thing. Select this by clicking on left mouse, press Control, drag it here. Select this. Make sure transform tool is on. Select move downwards, decrease it width, increase it height. Now I will repeat the step. Let's hide the reference layer and switch off this onion. Let's play the animation, and before that let's change it to 9. Click on play. Looks good to me. Now what you can do is simply render this animation, and you can do now, you can do what, reverse this video. So click on here, and where is the render animation? The best part about this is that you don't need to use MPEG in the latest version, so it's quite good. So choose here, click on MPEG ball video, save. Okay, so it's rendered it out. So that's for all. I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you have any kind of doubt or queries, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.